Marco Colbert, Speedokote Refinish Network. So, super excited. As you guys can see, we are rolling right along with the budget Del Sol restoration. Now, as you guys can see, we have the vast majority of the bodywork done. However, something I like to do when I'm doing bodywork, you see, we already hit that with about 2 coats of primer surfacer, block that down, is I actually like to go over again with more primer surfacer, except this time I reduce it down 50% so it doesn't get as much build to it, but we can block it out one more time just to make sure it's straight. We have a lot of spots we're going to be primering over the car. I decided against primering the entire car because it simply is just not worth it, guys. This is a 1993 Del Sol with 220,000 miles on it. I'm just trying to make it better than what it was and clean it up for summertime. The rest of this body is pretty straight, and it's not flaking or peeling like crazy, so that's perfectly fine to paint over. We might primer seal it. And another reason why I know you guys clicked on the video, yes, we are going to be using the budget Harbor Freight $10 spray gun. So, getting your primer filler to lay more like a primer sealer, it's all about reducer. So we have about almost 200 milliliters of product in there. Go ahead, splash about 1 ounce or 2 of reducer in there. That should probably be good enough. We'll see what that looks like. So for this style application, you want about a 2-second drip. So 1, 2, yeah, it's about 2 seconds right there. All right, so you know the setup, you know the product we're using. Let's put some primer in the gun. Let's get this thing covered.
That means you're extra.
I'm pretty happy with the results. I'm happy with the Harbor Freight spray gun for primer. Worked great. Totally happy with the budget setup so far. That's working amazing. And as usual with the SMR 210 primer, guys, flawless product. I've been using this primer for 8 years. It's never failed. It always works amazing. A lot of you guys are probably wondering the next step. What's the next video in this car going to be? We're probably going to go ahead, take the fenders off the car, take the hood off the car. We're going to have a parts day and then a car day. So we're going to have a day where we're just spraying the parts off the car. And we're going to have another day where we're spraying the car itself. So we're going to go ahead. We're going to block out this primer one last time. Then probably primer seal it. And it's ready for paint. But that wraps up this video, guys. Like, subscribe. New videos every week.
Thank you.